Hi friends, welcome back. This is the makeup look for today. I did this cute little bear Halloween makeup. It's seriously so easy. Easy to throw your hair in buns like this. This is just like a Sherpa jacket that I have. And then I just used neutral colors on my face. I actually did the eye look separate in a different video because I thought it made a really pretty date night look, and then I turned it into this cute bear Halloween costume, and it was so easy. Like, colors I used were natural tan, clove, rustic brown, and then some onyx shadow scents. Mostly just these three. So these are shades that you would probably want in your makeup collection anyway because they look so good on everyone. They're really great for like neutral looks or everyday looks, or also kind of like glamming it up, and they go with everything, but then you can turn into a bear. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Just did this makeup look in another video for like a smoky brown eye look. On my eyes, what I did natural tan, clove, rustic brown, and then I mixed space shimmer with brown sugar shimmer for the lid area, onyx for my liner, and I'll leave it all in the caption too, but there's that. That's what's on my eyes right now. I like the brown. I think a bear would be cute, like a warm brown bear. This is the only brown I own, and this is like, it's like a camel color, but it's kind of like a fuzzy bear, right? Does it work? Okay, my hair is so needs to be washed, so I'm gonna put it back with a headband to just like get it out of the way, and this is gonna bother me, so take that down. So obviously this makeup look's already done. I'm gonna turn it into a Halloween look. First thing I'm gonna do is take my lashes off though, because I mean, these ones are really comfortable, but I might want to add some more to the eyes, so we're gonna take them off. I'm using, these are Moxie lashes, so they're magnetic lashes. They're really easy to put on and take off. And then I'm also gonna take my lip scents off. Well, I don't know, what color lips do bears have? Let me look it up real quick. One thing I want to do, brighten up my inner corner area a little bit. It's a little dark for my preference. I liked it for the smoky eye, but I do want a little bit lighter in there. So I'm gonna use Wind Shimmer. It's this really pretty like light white with yellow shimmer in it. It's such a fun color. So this is gonna go on this inner corner area to really brighten that up. And then underneath the brow bone as well. Look at that difference already. Let's also put some of that on my nose. A little bit of a nose highlight. I'm gonna make my brows a little bit hairier, so I'm gonna take this Brow Sense brow gel, and I groomed them into place earlier, but this time I'm gonna groom them up and like make them stand straight up. Okay, while those are setting, while that is setting, I'm gonna do a little bit more bronzer on my face. So I'm gonna use the deep powder and just darken up my bronzer a little bit. I feel like the camera, I mean, it looks good in person, but on camera it's like really light. So I need to add a little bit more. Okay, do I want to make a face? Do I want to make a white face? Yes, I do. Maybe I will. Okay, I'm going to lighten up like a face area right here with Snow Shadow Scents and a foundation brush. Dip my foundation brush into the shadow scents and just kind of lightly go over the areas that I want to lighten, which is just like a center right here, like a lighter mouth area. I don't want it like stark white, I just like want it lightened. I'm gonna do a tiny bit of contouring back here. It just feels all very warm and bronze, and I want to deepen it a little. And like cool it off and give it some more structure. I'm gonna go into Rustic Brown Shadow Scents and a little angled eyeliner brush and just start kind of drawing hair around this circle part. Okay, I'm gonna dip into Clove Shadow Scents now with the same brush. just to add a little bit of dimension to the hairs so they're not all the same color. And then I'll probably go into like a black onyx shade as well. This is turning out cute. Okay, now I'm dipping into onyx shadow scents and just adding a few more. So we've got some dimension. Okay, I am gonna use the rustic brown shadow scents to draw on a nose. It's nice, I just used it all straight from the wand. And then a little down here. Lips look like they're just lined with brown-ish. Like, it's not like your typical, like how I would do with like a leopard and stuff. So I'm just gonna use the rustic brown to line my lips so I can like soften it. So I'm using a shadow sense versus a lip sense so that I can soften the edges and almost treat it more like a typical lipstick. Cause that's like the only downside to lip sense. It doesn't really soften and like blend. It's a pretty solid line. This just kind of has like this mustache to it. I'm gonna do some cream matte gloss for a little bit of color on the lips. There we go. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I need to put my lashes back on. I don't think I did enough eyeliner the first time, so I'm gonna do a little bit more eyeliner real quick. This is eyeliner. By eyeliner, I mean magnetic liner for the lashes to stick to. While that is drying, I'm gonna put my hair into buns. I want to do half up or all the way. That's what I'm not sure about. I have so much hair that I don't even know if all the way buns would work. Well, they would. They'd just be really big buns. We'll do it. We'll do all the way. Let's go for it. Ah, gosh, long hair so hard. I have to flip my head upside down to get my bun high. And we're done. Those are some easy buns. Do I look like a bear? Okay, let's get my lashes back on real quick, and then I will be done. Note to self, try not to get magnetic liner on your lashes. Otherwise, your lashes will stick to your lashes. That is a strong hold, man. That is good. Nice. Okay, these lashes are so cute. These are the Bestie lashes from Moxie. Okay, here you have it. Here's the finished look. Should I zip this up? Look a little more like a teddy bear? Do I look like a teddy bear or do I just look like a... I don't even know what this is. Okay, well, there you have it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, everything is linked up above or down below. It's all linked in the caption. Okay, bye. And we're gonna die in 3, 2, 1.